Alright guys, so today is another tutorial. Um but today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to design a flyer exactly the way it is on the screen. Alright. So it's not something very hard, but then it's just some techniques and some images. So I'm going to be taking you guys through. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now so that YouTube is going to notify you. You'll be the first person to get notified anytime I upload a new video. All right. So let's get started. Now the first thing is click on the default screen. All right. So it welcomes you here. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is click on this icon here. Then come to color. Now I have my background image in this form, but then I'm going to show you guys how the color code for that. All right, so for the red color, sorry, you have 851801 851801 for the color code. Okay, and then for the other one, the blue, you have 001C37. All right, then you arrange it like this. So with this, I've gotten my background. Let me just pin this down. Okay, then from here you click on shape, you click on this, then you click on the love angle, then okay, increase the size, increase, then you rotate, scroll down to rotate. All right, need it much bigger than this. Okay, I think it's better like this, or better still. Okay, so the next thing is you scroll down to texture, you click on it, click on the gallery, and it takes you down to your gallery. Okay, so I have my pictures already downloaded, so you can just go to Google or any image you want to use. I'm designing for, okay, alright, I think it's cool like this. Then the next thing for us to do is make a duplicate your work, but then this time around you click on texture and you up it, you delete it, giving you the shape alone. Now send it to the back. Okay, not this. Then you scroll down to rotate again. You rotate. All right, I think this is cool. Okay, let's, okay, so then another one. Before then, click on shadow, enable shadow, then the blur radius to be 4, the offset y. All right, so after that, make a duplicate again, send it to the back. Sorry, so the last one, go to rotate again. Okay, and then on the second one, there is a mistake, shadow. Okay, Alright, so now we've gotten our design for this, and we need to make some amendments. It's not really cool. Okay, so you scroll down to scroll, then you enable scroll down, pick the orange color, increase the width to 4. Okay, just take your time to do this. Alright, so after this, then we start our typing and the likes on it. Then scroll down to color, sorry, to stroke. Enable it. Now let's change the font first. Alright, so move it here. Okay, so don't forget to pin it down to avoid any other mistake. Alright, so colors for your, you're going to make it in the same font. Then increase it. Now let's make use of our grid line. Oh, sorry. Alright, so that's it. Then make a duplicate. Assume. Okay. Mm. Don't forget, you might be doing this flyer for anybody, but for this purpose, I'm using a food, um, designing this for a food vendor, so that's why I'm using this. Alright, and Okay, so go back and change the font. So here we are. Then call place order. All right, so let's add our food items. Okay, so you click on shape, then let's make use of this. Now I click on texture as well. I have it in my download. So let me make some choice. Just pick it up. All right, go to stroke, enable it. So you make a duplicate again. Okay, so we have this. All right, so with this we've come to the end of our design, and this is more this is an e-flyer. So All right, so you can now save your work as project. Frida Food. Then you can save it as image. All right, so let's go check our image now. All right, so here is our design. Thank you for watching once again. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do now before you go. All right, see you next time. Thank you so much.